President. Thank you.
Now to the Integrated Youth Empowerment Common Initiative Group.
Mr. President, we would like to express our gratitude for the efforts of the Council, its bodies and its mechanisms in promoting and protecting human rights globally. In this context, we urge India to implement the UN Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples and repeal Citizenship Amendment Act 2019 in Assam. In Assam, the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019 nullified the conditions set out in Assam Accord of 1985. Additionally, we call on India to implement immediate repeal the Armed Forces Special Power Act from Northeast states as recommended by various bodies and mechanisms, including those received by India in all previous UPR cycles. Mr. President, Shrinkal Saliha, leader of prominent indigenous organization Bir Lasit Sena, Assam, Dr. Gautam Kalita of Dibrugarh, Assam, President Youth Wing of World Borough Organization, Maheshwar Thongnongja, human rights defender of 12 Kesham Town, Manipur, working tirelessly for the rights of the native indigenous people were being continuously harassed by authorities under false allegation. Stand-alone and country-specific offices of United Nations Human Rights Council have also played a substantial role in promoting human rights. Given the escalating human rights concern in India, particularly pertaining to the growing violation against indigenous communities, we respectfully urge the Council to consider establishing a country office of United Nations Human Rights Council in India. Thank you. Jai Aham.